Welcome to Ajayastra Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we'll be discussing the current trends in domestic clove prices. Let's dive into the details. On September 3rd, domestic clove prices have remained stable for the second session in a row, following a slight dip last Friday. Major markets are reporting minimal price fluctuations, indicating a balanced supply and demand situation. In Kottayam, Bilti clove prices are being quoted between 975 rupees and 990 rupees per kilogram, showing no major change from the previous sessions. Meanwhile, in Shimoga, prices are slightly higher, ranging from 1000 rupees to 1020 rupees per kilogram. Additionally, clove stems in Kottayam are available at 140 rupees per kilogram. The market for Lalpuri cloves is relatively stable, with prices hovering between 800 rupees and 820 rupees per kilogram. As for cloves from international sources, cloves from Comoros are priced between 840 rupees and 860 rupees per kilogram. Madagascar cloves range from 880 rupees to 900 rupees per kilogram. Sri Lanka cloves are being quoted between 850 rupees and 880 rupees per kilogram. The ongoing harvest season in key clove-producing regions is ensuring a consistent supply to the domestic market. Furthermore, the substantial increase in clove imports over the past 6 months has bolstered inventory levels, helping to keep prices steady. As long as the harvest continues and inventories remain well stocked, we can expect prices to remain stable, even with potential fluctuations in global markets. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation evolves. Thank you for tuning into today's update on domestic clove prices. For more in-depth analysis and timely updates on commodities, subscribe to Ajayastra Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video.